quite a few issues that we have to speak to. And the majority of the issues had to deal with legacy investments, and some of them going back as far as 1996. What has happened is that since our job is to make sure that whatever investments that were not performing, we are actually taking steps to make sure that they perform. Some of the things that we've done is that for some of the investments where we do not have proper oversight control, or we are the majority shareholders, we have gone out to try and seek private sector participation, specifically in our hotels. You may recall that we put an ad in the newspaper where we seek private sector participation so that people who know how to make money in that business get into the driver's seat and we tag along. There are certain things like how we do our investment appraisals and what kind of investment structures or vehicles that we put in place to undertake these investments. We have revised our investment guidelines to ensure that, for example, SSNIT will not get into a joint venture with a party who is a minority shareholder, and that party ends up getting all the construction contract, for example. So there are this and many other things that we have put in place to make sure that proper due diligence is done before we enter into investments, and also to make sure that the oversight is improved.